Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is a pretty cool unboxing as you guys got from the title. I cannot wait to try this product. I'm so excited for this. This is the MOT Groove. So yeah, put the box aside. And yeah, here it is. The MOT Groove. It's actually really similar to the MOT Rhythm, but this is a magnetic, as where this is a mechanical slider. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing to death. It's my favorite fidget. I mean, one of my favorite fidgets. So yeah, we'll compare this to this thing shortly. And yeah, let's get right into this thing. All right. Let's get right into it. This is in stainless steel. There you go. MOT, it's got a music logo or like music note. So yeah, which way am I supposed to slide this thing? Oh my god. This thing's amazing. I can't, hold on. Oh my goodness. This has just become one of my top fidgets of all time I've ever tried. By far, I think the best mechanical sounding fidget I've tried. I've tried this thing. Whoops. This thing. I've tried the 01 slider, the mechanical version. God, this thing just beats everything. It's like the perfect stiffness. I just love this thing. Oh, okay, so you guys can actually bring it up halfway. So wait one sec. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not even number. I mean, it's an even number, so you can't really do like a movement like this, as where this thing's got like 1, 2. So you guys can push it up 1, and then rotate it evenly where it's like in the center. But not with this thing, I don't believe. Wait, no, actually I think you can. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you can. I'm just stupid, my bad. 1, 2. Oh my goodness, this thing's amazing. Jesus Christ. Whoever has this on order, you will not be disappointed. This thing is just absolutely amazing. Good thing they put Teflon here, because yeah, it slides amazing on Teflon. Less friction. In the next video, I'm gonna open this thing up and see what makes it work. But I absolutely love this thing. Get it. I'm not too sure how much these are, but I don't think they're that pricey. It's basically this thing, just instead of a magnetic version, it's a mechanical. Yep, this thing's amazing. Jesus Christ. I'm not too sure which side is the right side to use it from. I think it's this way, because it's got like a, what do you call it, a spot for your a lanyard, I guess. Oh my god, this thing is amazing. Love it. All right, let me put this back here. And yeah, I unboxed this thing here if you guys want to check it out. And I also unboxed this MOT Rhythm a long time ago. You guys can watch it right there as well. But let me actually bring out the other MOT products I have. This is the MOT Tyne How Mahjong. And I'm pretty sure these are from by MOT. Let me double check. Okay, just double check. These are by MOT. So yeah, love these. You guys can watch the unboxings for these here. There's 2 different videos. So yeah, this one is in titanium and stainless steel. This is in zirconium and brass. And then these are the ones that are more similar. The MOT Rhythm and then the MOT Groove. Can't decide which one I like more, the MOT Groove or the MOT Rhythm. I wonder why they didn't make the MOT Groove 3 layers like the, I guess because it would be too thick. Because if you guys look at it through here, the MOT Groove is almost as thick as the MOT Rhythm, and it's just a 1 layer, and it's mechanical. I guess like you need space for springs and stuff. Yeah, the mechanism, you can't really just take this thing apart. You gotta unscrew a whole bunch of screws. So yeah, you got screws here and there. As with this thing, you just slide them both halfway, twist them, pop out. There you go. Same thing here. Yeah. What would we do without magnets? You know what I mean? But this thing, God, this has just jumped from nothing to my top 5 list of all time. Just look at that thing. The clicks are so crisp. It's got like a little ding after it. If you guys listen, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up. It's got like a little ding after each click. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. But yeah, if I find out that you can tune this thing even more, I will let you guys know. Oh, okay. So it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sliders, like 5 mechanical sliders, 2 of which are just smooth, like 1 click. It's that last click, if you guys can hear. Just listen to the very last click. That one right there. So I'm pretty sure like all of these are sliding. And then that last click just hits, and then it's just amazing. I really want to open this up and see what it's like inside. But yeah, I love this thing. And that'll be all for this video, guys, like I said. And yeah. Make sure to guys like and subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. Got a lot more unboxings coming in the future. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.